Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking impedance and safety. This matters because mismatched load can damage the amp. Once done, power down both units and set volume to minimum to protect drivers. Make sure to use pair of speaker cables with correct gauge, thicker for longer runs. Connect positive to positive, negative to negative. The reason is phase alignment, which keeps bass tight. Inspect connectors for loose strands and keep cables away from power cords to reduce hum. You now focus on signal flow and gain staging because correct levels prevent clipping and preserve headroom. Once the source is connected, set the amp gain low and play a reference track at expected listening level. Slowly raise input trim on the mixer or preamp until you see healthy meters but no red. Make sure to use balanced connections where possible to reduce noise. If you add EQ, do it gently. Excessive boost causes distortion and forces the amp to work harder. You finish with safety and verification steps to ensure reliable operation. Power the source first, then the amplifier. This order avoids pops. Start at low volume, play a test tone or familiar track, and sweep low to mid frequencies to spot rattles or distortions. Make sure speaker mounts and terminals are secure. Loose connections make intermittent sound. If you encounter hum or no output, check ground lift options, test cable continuity, and see if the amp entered protection mode. Reset power after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.